So now I have my PC right here. I want to show you guys my PC right now. So this is my PC. Basically my setup was like this.
Shall we begin? Let's begin now.
Hi guys, so welcome back again to my another video. So today basically it's been a while since I created a video for YouTube because I've been into Twitch since the beginning of January, I think. And yeah, I want to update you guys about my new PC since I've got one already. So I've been a Mac user for the longest time. That's way back before, but now that I'm into like vlogging, so parang I want a more capable computer that I will be using for editing videos at the same time for gaming and other very huge stuff and that will be accommodated by just a computer. So now I have my PC right here. I want to show you guys my PC right now. So this is my PC. Basically my setup was like this. And yeah, never mind my desktop screen. What is screensaver or my mirror or my wallpaper, I mean. So yeah, he is my wallpaper. So basically my PC, my computer is basically high-end. So all the drivers, all the graphics, and all the peripherals installed in my computer are all high-end. Yeah, I think. So yeah, guys, I want to show you guys what I bought for my computer. This is my Logitech C920. This is my mini webcam. I bought it from Lazada. It is a good webcam for beginners who stream, and yeah, I really loved it so much. So guys, so we're currently here in I'm currently here in my other side of our room. So basically, I will be showing you guys the boxes that I showed you a while ago, the peripherals of my computer. So I just wanted to show you that this is the graphics card that I'm currently using. So it is the RTX GeForce RTX ROG Strix 2017. So yeah, I'm currently using the latest RTX graphic card from Nvidia. It is the brand that I'm using was from Asus. So I'm currently enjoying it right now because it brings out the most of my games, the graphics and everything, which is basically a must for me, and it's super nice good looking graphic that that this gave me. So I'm really loving this one, although it's a little bit of lower than the latest one, which is the 2080, I believe, or the Titan X. So yeah. So yeah, I bought this because here in the Philippines, there's 2080 is not yet available here. So it will become available maybe this year. So I hope that I bought that one, but 2070 is still a good graphic card out there. So yeah, I really loved it, and I'm really enjoying this graphics card. Yeah, so because it's high end and everything. So the next unboxing was from Asus. It is a I think dongle Wi-Fi adapter. Yeah, Wi-Fi adapter. It is a USB. It is a very small thing that you will be going to attach on the USB area of your CPU for the Wi-Fi connection if you want Wi-Fi into your computer. So yeah, here's a good one. Okay, I love this so much from Asus. So I really love this so much because yeah, it turns my computer into Wi-Fi connection instead of the wired connection or cable connection. It's such a hassle for me. That's why I want Wi-Fi in my computer. Yeah. So the next one will be my monitor. So I'm currently using this one, a very big box right here. So this is the big box from AOC. It is a 144 gigahertz, I think. 144. The monitor is running FreeSync, and it's intended for gaming talaga. It has 144 hertz. 144 hertz gaming. No glitchiness or whatever. It's perfect for gaming. So yeah, and I really loved it. It's so big. The box was so big. It was huge, and I really loved that. So it is not basically a 4K monitor. It is just a 100 HD full HD monitor. But I want to buy 4K in the future once that I have salary already. So yeah, I'm thinking of buying that in the future. So yeah, those are all the things that I had in my computer right now. So all the boxes are being thrown away already. So yeah, guys. So basically, these are all the boxes. So my other boxes are in other area of my in other in other boxes, I think. So I will still be featuring out the items that I had already installed already. So my CPU or the casing was from Silverstone. So it is a huge box, a huge CPU. So this is Silverstone. Red line something. I will be showing to you guys what it looks like. So that's it, guys. So this I've shown you guys already my computer. So that's it, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed my mini computer haul. So I'm currently enjoying my computer right now. So it's as fast as the other computers out there. So I bought my computer for like 164,000 here in Philippines. So equal to $2,000 in USD. So I really enjoyed it. I really love all the peripherals that I had in my computer, installed in my computer. Yeah. So currently I've been playing Anthem, the Anthem demo, and all the other games that are graphic heavy. So I really like it so much. So that's it, guys. So I hope you guys are enjoying my computer computer haul and my new computer. So yeah, bye guys. See you guys again into my next one.